In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Incognito Mode in Google Chrome. Whether you want to browse without saving your history, sign into a second account, or shop privately, Incognito Mode makes it easy. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select New Incognito window. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Command plus Shift plus N on Mac to open an incognito window instantly. A new dark themed window will appear with the incognito icon at the top. This confirms you're browsing in incognito mode. Now, use the address bar to search the web or visit any website just as you normally would. While you're using this window, Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or information entered into forms after you close the session. Keep in mind that incognito mode doesn't make you anonymous online. Websites you visit, your internet service provider, your employer, or your school may still be able to see your activity. If you're using Chrome on Android or iPhone, tap the three-dot menu, then select New Incognito tab to start a private browsing session. When you're finished, simply close all incognito windows or tabs. Chrome will automatically remove your browsing history, cookies, and site data from that private session. That's how to use incognito mode in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.